Customers today demand experiences that enrich their lives in meaningful ways. A comfortable vehicle cabin is one of the most critical factors when buying a new vehicle. Thousands of hours will be spent in the cabin by occupants over the life of the vehicle. Experience thinking enables companies to simultaneously consider all aspects of the cabin to provide more comfort, safety, and efficiency. Cabin comfort design today is challenging. Physical testing provides an incomplete answer, and booking a climate wind tunnel or shipping overseas a physical prototype along with an engineering crew extends development times and is very costly. The Cabin Comfort Industry Process Experience from Dassault Systèmes provides a solution to address the needs of designers and engineers so that they can focus on providing superior cabin experiences for their customers. For thermal comfort, seat comfort, cabin connectivity, and interactivity, a complete 3D experience virtual prototype of the cabin environment provides accurate insights to improve decision-making at every step in design, development, and validation. These solutions provide rapid and easy cabin and HVAC system concept exploration, improved time to market, improved collaboration using platform social tools, and improved cabin experience using integrated design and simulation tools.